Judge grants accused Charlie Kirk assassin permission to wear civilian clothes. Breaking news out of the federal courthouse today. The man accused of plotting to assassinate Turning Point USA founder Charlie Kirk has been granted special permission to wear civilian clothes during his upcoming court appearances. The decision came after a brief hearing this morning where the defense argued that allowing the suspect to appear in standard prison attire could unfairly influence public perception and potentially prejudice a future jury. The suspect, whose name has not yet been released publicly by authorities, was arrested earlier this month after law enforcement agencies intercepted what they described as a credible threat targeting the conservative commentator. According to investigators, several online posts and private communications indicated an intent to harm Kirk during a planned public appearance. Federal agents acted swiftly, taking the suspect into custody without incident. Since then, the accused has remained in detention as prosecutors prepare formal charges related to attempted assassination, possession of illegal weapons, and threats made against a public figure. In court today, the defense team filed a motion requesting that their client be allowed to appear in regular civilian clothing, citing the importance of maintaining the presumption of innocence. The judge agreed, noting that all defendants are entitled to a fair and impartial proceeding, and that appearance should not affect how evidence is viewed. The case has sparked widespread reaction online, particularly among supporters of Charlie Kirk, who expressed relief that he remains unharmed but outraged that such a plot could develop in the first place. Some commentators argue that the judge's decision reflects judicial neutrality, while others see it as too lenient given the severity of the charges. Legal experts point out that granting civilian attire is a common practice in high-profile cases to prevent bias, especially when jury selection is upcoming. Meanwhile, Charlie Kirk himself has not commented directly on the court's ruling, but did share a brief message on social media thanking law enforcement for their swift and professional response. As of now, the suspect remains in custody and a formal trial date has not yet been set. The Department of Justice continues to investigate possible motives and whether others may have been involved. Stay tuned for more updates as this story continues to unfold. This is your channel name, bringing you the latest